Okay folks, it's Dirk coming to you again with the OTC on the cheap channel. DIY, doing more with less. Today I'm going to answer a question I see pop up and I see on different equipment forums, and this would be automatic greasers, automatic lube systems for your equipment, dump trucks, etc. And today I'm going to show how to load it, because I know this is a question that has been asked many times and it's hard to get a clear answer. There's a lot of guys in the equipment don't seem like they want to take the time to explain and help others, so not to be that guy. See if I can set some rigging up here, get my camera set up somewhere that will show what's going on here. Yeah, that's too low. This is the thing about filming everything by yourself. Person runs into, where do I set the phone? Patience folks, I'm trying to find a spot where I can set the phone and it'll record and catch what it is I'm trying to do. I know it's a pain to watch, but trust me, it's a bigger pain to do. There, maybe that'll work out. Now this is Normac Industrial Solutions greaser. So to load this feller, it runs on pressure here, air pressure, and it will automatically grease throughout this point. It'll go to every grease fitting, every pin bushing on the machine, except the exception of the stuff on the drive shafts. It can't handle the rotating stuff. There's no way to get a line to it. It uses rubber, actually plastic and metal lines in this particular application that spreads throughout the machine. And it has a level here. It's dropped down to the lower level, so it's a good chance to show how it gets used. So all you need, besides your grease, which isn't too big a deal, all you need besides your grease is a grease gun that has this end on it. I don't think this is quite universal at all. And all you do is wheel this cap off, right? Let you see that, so you can see the difference in it. Crank her on back like a normal grease gun. Put your cartridge in just like always. Thread this on. Now you notice there's no nipple or end or hose. And this simply line it up. Thread the whole assembly on. Tight, make sure it's all tight, and then just simply, I'll say simply, but it takes a little bit of force, especially at this height. It's not quite as hard as it looks. It's the height right now, the way the ground's uneven here. But I see some people asking if you have to pump with the grease gun, the regular old method, pump everything in, and no you don't. I just injected one full tube in one shot. Machine's cold right now, so. But many of you will be doing this outdoors, and we get a great shop, and I'm doing it outdoors just to show you. See? There's one, you know. Nothing to it, but people tend to think, for some reason, the grease fitting here, that's the way, and I think you can pump that and arrive at the same goal. But I mean folks, it's an automatic greaser. I guess it wouldn't be too automatic if you had to pump it full, one pump at a time. I guess it would still distribute it itself, but this is the way. It seems to own thing, I guess. Some people have asked if you can just take the top off this. It is plastic cap and threaded, but there's a whole bunch of little parts in there. I'll liken it to if you ever open the transmission and there's all sorts of things ready to dump out. If you're not familiar, don't try it. You'll just screw up your greaser, and it'll be a service tech have to come out. The hard part's getting her started here, because you are pushing pure grease. Again, like I said, it's not as tragic as it looks to be. And I'm not pulling it back out with the rod because I don't want to suctionate it back into the gun again. I brought a big pair of channel locks with me too, because you get over anxious with the tightening and shoot yourself in the foot quite quick. Tube number 3. Nothing exciting about it, folks. I think any grease gun's the same. You just need this adapter on the end. That's 3 tubes. I don't know, what are we at? Maybe 3 minutes run time here. I am picking this up later. Metal end every grease gun, as everyone knows, goes in last. Catches the edge. Rough threads there. We get her straight. Both consumed in there. So hello folks, sorry, phone died. Onto the reserve phone now. I'm just going to show you how it works. I climbed up and put the key on in their loader here, and powers a switch, and you can flick the switch, and this is the unit. Actually, you can see a paddle in there stirring, see it going by, and this one has a remote button that I just push from time to time and inject the grease, or you can, it can set up so it'll do it every, I don't know, whatever interval you choose, I believe. You can see this is the pressure of it, and this is the port where I was injecting the grease. And I think most people figure this is the way, which you can pump it in there, I guess, if you really felt like it. But this section here, and like I said, it's just a straightforward grease gun, nothing special about it. It's just got a different end here that threads off and on, that accepts the same threads as right here. And this is the way to do it. Really, I mean, it takes like 3 or 4 minutes to top her up. And this runs down through these lines and comes up to central places like this, it runs into a block here, this little test port, and you can see these lines run out to each little bushing. And I say the only place they don't really do is out to the drive shaft where it's spinning. There's no way for a line not to catch, but you can see they're running in here most everywhere. Here's a great view of one that runs all the way underneath the machine and back up into this bushing. So it's injecting it whenever you choose. Like I said, you can set it by timer, or you can just do what I do and just pump it manually. So anyway, this is the Case 721 loader with the Ormac Industrial Solutions on grown builds and all. Quite a popular name too. And this is a new machine. This is just one of those deals it has, and I really appreciate that it was installed. Big help to me. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. I hope this doesn't come out too messed up in the using two phones and join it together. But automatic greaser system on your equipment. Any thoughts, likes, comments, anybody wants to subscribe, everything's appreciated. Thanks, folks. Till next time. Bye.